Most people never start because they don't know what to sell. And I get it because that was me too. I spent months watching other people make money online while I was still trying to figure it out. And I hated that too, by the way. Sucks seeing everybody just crushing it and you're still at ground zero, struggling to pay for your rent. But what if I told you that AI can actually help you figure it out in minutes for free? Stick around because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact prompt I give my students to find profitable digital product ideas, even if they don't have no experience. You see, when I was homeless, I didn't have a business plan or any special skills. I was just a dad trying to figure out how to feed my family. And I tried everything. I did the freelancing on Fiverr. I did Amazon, FBA. I drop shipped and nothing even clicked until I realized the fastest way to make money online is to take what you already know and turn it into something that actually helps other people. But I get it. Figuring out what that thing is can be tough. So let me show you how I do it today using AI. So step one, we're going to go inside ChatGPT, so open that up. And you're going to type in this prompt. It's going to probably pop on your screen. Act as a digital business coach. I'm a beginner who wants to make money online with digital products. Ask me 10 questions that help uncover my skills, experiences, and passions that could be turned into a simple digital product. And then let it ask you the questions and then answer them honestly. And you're going to start seeing patterns. Maybe you're good at organizing things. Maybe you've helped friends with resumes, budgeting, meal prepping, or social media. That's going to lead us to step two. Once you answer, ask GPT this follow-up prompt. Based on my answers, give me 5 beginner-friendly digital product ideas that I can create quickly, like ebooks, templates, or checklists. Keep them simple and profitable. You're going to get actual ideas that you can sell fast, which is going to bring us to step 3. Pick one of those ideas that feels the easiest to create, not the fanciest, because simple sells. For example, one of my students said she loved organizing and ChatGPT helped her create a daily productivity tracker template in Canva. That little template made her $300 in her first week. So get this, once you have your idea, let's make sure it's something people actually want, which brings us to step 4. You're going to go to Facebook or Threads or whatever you're on, it doesn't matter, and type keywords related to your topic. Look for posts or comments where people are asking questions or struggling. And if you see 3 or more posts about the same pain, that's called demand. Step 5, you're going to go to Etsy or Gumroad or Reddit or wherever it is that you go to and search for similar digital products, right? Because if people are buying them, that's what we call validation. You see, the goal isn't to copy, it's to confirm there's money in the market, meaning people are already interested in something. This is going to help you get started and actually start making money as quickly as possible. And speaking of that, this is where most beginners stop. They see other people selling and think, I missed my shot. But the truth is, there's always room for new voices and fresh perspectives. Your story and your angle make your product unique. And you're not competing, you're connecting. And this right here is the first step to financial independence. So now that you know what to sell, it's time to learn how to get people to buy it. In the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get traffic and sales, even if no one knows who you are yet. So click the next video and let's keep building your backup plan before you need one. Stay blessed.